The Premiere Pro interface consists of 4 main panels. In no particular order, I have the source, the program, project and timeline. These are the 4 main windows you will be dealing with. Now, in a specific order, I would start off by using the project panel. You will see it says here, import media to start. Now, when we import media into Premiere Pro, we actually create a link between Premiere Pro and our original. Premiere Pro is a little bit like a script telling the originals what to do. The originals actually remain intact. It's only when you render a file does it actually generate a completely new movie. To import clips, we are going to double click in this area here. We can then select a location. In this case, I'm going to go into my PR training folder where I've saved our getting started file. This is the main project panel, the instructions. We're going to go into our media folder. I'm going to go into video clips and we're going to create a simple rough cut. We have a series of clips here that have been filmed in no particular order. We could import them individually, but we're going to save a little bit of time. We're going to import the whole folder. With the folder selected, click import. This will place your files or your links to your clips in a folder. Now, this folder inside Premiere Pro is known as a bin. It goes back to the old days of film editing where the celluloid film was actually stored in bins to stop them falling on the floor.